Hey y'all, it's your girl Brooklyn Lexi, and let me tell you, day one in New Orleans had been a whole vibe. I've been out here soaking up all the NOLA magic, and honey, it has not been disappointed. I started my day with a strong stroll through the French Quarter, where if you go watch day one, you'll see all the stuff I did. And this is how I ended day one. Remember, my phone was dying, so I went back to my hotel, looked out the window. I went back outside and I noticed all these streets have their name on the floor. I thought that was so cool. I walked around a little bit more in the French Quarter just to soak up some more NOLA magic, and it did not disappoint. So I started my day with the French Quarter, and I ended my day walking around Jackson Square, meeting locals, taking pictures, just exploring the city. I got to see the city's rich history come to life. The architecture, stunning. The people, absolutely fabulous. I stopped by some local gym, and let me tell you, the food here is out of this world. I indulged in some mouth-watering clams, and those beignets. Oh, you know the ones with the powdery sugar on top. Yes, ma'am. I made sure to savor every bite. Now, as the sun sets, I'm gearing up for a little night adventure. I was going to head to a live jazz bar, but I heard night in NOLA's is not for the weak, so I decided to stay my butt inside, read a book, and let's come back off for day two. Bye, baby. It's okay, but I got the oysters. Where's the sign? Guys, my feet hurt. So this is the lobby. I didn't even show you. You get a free drink, but I'm probably never gonna use it. Guys, look at me rubbing my stomach. We would have demolished this place. Let me just walk around. This is what I'm gonna do tomorrow. They chilling at the pool and I'm laying in a bed. And I didn't take a shower, my feet hurt and I'm tired. I wanna go to the pool and sing, but I'm not gonna go. Come on, baby. I'm trying to get like the New Orleans people. I love how they talk. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's early. It's free breakfast right now. But I ain't going because I don't really eat breakfast. Maybe tomorrow. And I feel like I ate so much shit yesterday that I am good. So I'm just laying here looking at TikTok. I'm uploading from my YouTube, Brooklyn Lexi, Lexii. I'm just sharing stuff and I'm just uploading content to my other social media like TikTok and IG and Facebook. Yeah, and I'm just chilling. High ceiling. I'm getting ready for yoga. I'm using magic. I put it on my chest. I'm about to put it on my face. And it travels because it's body butter, so it don't matter what size. I'm going to yoga. Ooh, I didn't mean to turn it on me. I think this is the courtyard. I'm looking skinny. Don't mind my fupa. Don't mind the fupa. Ooh, I look better in real life. I wish you could see it. Are you about to do yoga? This is nice. All right, so this is the yoga place. I thought I was lost, but it's not. My yoga class is usually crowded, so I'm used to. Is this water for us? Look at me going towards the water. This is a different part. This hotel takes up a whole block, which is a lot from this area because a lot of the stuff doesn't. But we're about to do yoga, and I'm super excited. I wish my room was over here, but no, I kind of like seeing the pool. But it is quieter over here. So I guess I'll just wait. Let's see what happens. If it don't start on time, I'm leaving, though, because I got shit to do. All right, so yoga's about to start. I'm going to just grab a water because it's already hot. All right, I just did yoga. Yoga and humidity is not for the weak, baby. But you do get a mimosa and lots of water, so that's the good part. It was good, too. And I feel stretched. No diddy. Sorry for the... And you get free mimosa. Look at my bum cheeks. You see all that sweat? This is sweat. That's sweat. This is sweat. Oh, my God. Humidity, yoga, I did yoga outside before, baby, but I was never sweating like this. It's that humidity, baby. I met a lot of people from New York. Mostly like 5 people were from New York. So 5 people from New York. 1 lady is from Texas. 1 guy was from France, my yoga class. And the other guy, he didn't really speak, the white guy. He didn't really speak to us. He was old. But they was good at yoga. I'm definitely getting in that pool today, baby, because your girl is hot, 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 hot. But first, you gotta go get some food. Yesterday I was gonna come in here, it was so crowded. Oh, I want to eat jambalaya, but I'm not gonna eat it all now. I'm gonna have to come back here. I'm trying to get so much food because I want to go wild. I'm just gonna focus on one thing. I'm gonna get this shrimp and grits Napoleon, fried green tomatoes and seasoned creamy southern grits surrounded by shrimp, basil with Cajun cream sauce. Ooh, baby, I want that. And I was gonna get a drink, but I think it's too early for me to drink. And I want some oysters, but I'm gonna wait till dinner. Guys, oh my God, this smells so good. All right, I was gonna ride my bike to the 9th Ward. I guess I can't do that, so I'm gonna go to the 7th Ward today. I just wanna see where the people live, my people. All right. Oh my God. My
phone just notified me that it's on 10%. My phone is dying so fast here. So let's get the hell out before we get lost. And I want to walk a different way back. And I'm on 10%, so I know how I feel. Everything over content. But I want to be, ooh, look. Shit like this no more. This looks like some Harry Potter shit right here. They don't make shit like this. But be like, oh, this is what else of this. Hufflepuff. Looks like Diagon Alley, the way to Hogwarts, into the pub that takes you to Diagon Alley. And look at this. This whole shit could be a Harry Potter movie. I must not return to Hogwarts. It is in grave danger. Look at this building, guys. I love where the building has. Like the arches. And you see at the top. And look at the gate. Wow. That's what I was talking about. These are fire to me. Like fire, like fire. Ghost bar. I ain't gonna fucking with nothing spiritual. Is there ghosts in here? I don't see shit in there. You know I love my side streets. TripAdvisor says to stick to main streets because you could get robbed and etc. People have been robbed by gunpoint. But I'm black. And I fit in everywhere, respectfully. In the theme. No, I think okay. You know there's nothing, nothing I would not do. Never let you go before I go. Hey. You know. Hey. Look at that. Oh, oh. Let you before I let you go. Oh, oh.